Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will carry out a pump room tour of a tanker ship. So this is my entrance for the pump room. So we will go inside and we'll see what are the equipments which are present in pump room. So this is the entrance and this is the stairs which are going down. So this is from the top you can see how deep it is. Multiple floors are there. Outside weather you can see it's not very rough, but it's always to and fro motion. So we'll go inside. This is the entrance. We have steam lines, another hydraulic pipeline, pneumatic, and this is the uh, booby hatch for the pump room. This is a rope for the safety, and this is the another entrance gate. So here we have many safety items. So we will go down and we will see. We will also have a telephone which is intrinsically safe. So we'll go down and we will see what things are there in pump room. So very safely and very softly you have to go down because the ladders are very inclined, so you can see from the video. So this is the top platform. Here we have condensers and various things. Once we go closer we'll see what things are there. So slowly and slowly we will go down. These are the bulkheads. So there is a separate portion which is having a ladder for condenser and other thing. These are the spare pipe, and this three are the vacuum pump. 3 2 1 you can see here. So the motor, the driving, it is driven by electric motor. That is the other side. The other side is your engine room. So they are operated from the engine room, but they have control from CCR also. This three is a cargo line. This red, blue, and three big thick pipes are there. So these are the three lines for the cargo pump. So basically using this three line we discharge the complete cargo of a ship. So slowly we'll go down more. This platform you can see this is a thick line which is I guess this is the ODME line, ODME, oil discharge monitoring equipment. So and these are the walls for it. In pump room whatever things are present they are pneumatically controlled or hydraulically controlled. These lights are also explosion proof, so they protect if let's say if there is any spark inside the glasses or the enclosure, it will not ignite any fire if there is a gases present in pump room. So we also have a fixed gas system. I have made a videos, you can see that. These are the drain tanks, three drain tanks, 1 2 and 3. So three drain tanks are there just below your vacuum pump, and these three cargo line which is straightforward going from downward to top. This thick big these are hydraulic valves which are controlled from CCR. So these are your gas sensors. On top you can see smoke sensor. These are your gas sensor, S2S sensor and hydrocarbon sensor. So if they detect gases in pump room they will create a huge alarm, siren type of alarm. So you have to immediately evacuate the pump room or leave the pump room and go to a place where you have a fresh air. So slowly and slowly we'll go more down. Here you can see this is the ODME unit just below your light. So these are the walls which control ODME. So everything is pneumatically controlled. This is the cabinet of ODME, and we go other side. We have the common line which is controlled by hydraulic. So all valve control is using your VRCS. VRCS control all these valves. These are hydraulic control valves, and this is the cargo line three, red, blue, and yellow. So this is the Next floor, this is a ODME flow meter. So this type of flow meter is installed, which compare the difference and then accordingly it give the reading in CCR on ODME panel. We'll go more down. You can see how these ladders are. So very safely you have to go down using all your PP. You have to inform bridge and you have to check the gases, carry a personal gas meter, carry out all the precaution and take a communication medium walkie-talkie. Then you have to only go down in pump room. So now we are on bottom platform and you can see three big separators are there. So these three big yellow, blue and red color, you can see one, two, and this is the three big separators are there which are connected to your, you can see their bottom, these are the COPT pumps. So these are the actual pump which discharge the complete cargo of a VLCC or an Aframax or a Swissmax tanker. So we also have an intrinsically safe telephone, and you can see beside the O2 sensors which also detect your oxygen level in your pump room bottom platform accordingly, and some safety items are also there. These blue color pipelines, these are your ballast water treatment system pipelines which are connected to your ballast pumps. So we have two ballast pumps in our pump room, and these two are connected with individual back flushing filter unit and TRO of a ballast water treatment system. This is, you can see, common line which was running, and EEBD is also present. This side, when we go very close, you can see a big pump is there. This is your stripping pump. So when we have a cargo at very low level, we use this pump to strip off and discharge the cargo. These three cargo pumps you can see, one, two, three. So we'll go closer and we'll see how these cargo pumps looks like and what things are there. So I will go down and I will show you the COPT pumps. This is the emergency stop for individual pumps. So this is your COPT. In bottom, you can see this is bottom line full of pipelines. These are the COPT which is connected using shaft. These are your sensors, temperature sensors, proximity sensors, other vibration sensors also there. For upper and lower bearings, we have temperature sensor. Bottom also, you can see this is your mechanical leak off sensor. If there is any leak in oil, you have a sensor. These are temperature sensor for bearings, upper and lower, because bearing they get very heated up when they come in operation. So monitoring is very important. These are the shaft which is connected to your turbine which is there in the engine room, which is driven by steam. So those steam turbines, they are in engine room. So only the pump is there in the pump room. So these three pumps are there, and next to these three pumps we have this blue color ballast pump which is connected to your ballast water treatment system. So same thing is there in engine room. We have these ballast pump driven by motors. So big motors are there which run these pumps. So two motors are there in engine room which drive these ballast pumps. So you can see here these brown colors are hydraulically controlled valves, and these are the two pumps which look little smaller than your COPT pumps. And you can see the in BWTS we have multiple valves, flow meters, and we have two sets of back flushing filter unit. You can see, I will show you using my flashlight. So these two back flushing filters, big back flushing filters are there. I will go on the top and I will show you. So these are the things on these platform. So right now I am at the bottom of pump room platform. Below you have bilges and alarm and other sensors are there. So this is how these blue color, these are the wires which are running, and few are the hydraulic lines which are coated with rubber. So this is all about this platform. Now we'll go and see the BWTS part. In BWTS part, I will show you first the TRO. So we have two sets of TRO here. So TRO first, number one is here right now, this cabinet, and we have a valve cabinet which control the vacuum pump and other thing. These are the instrument which monitor the level and the pressure, discharge or the suction pressure of individual pumps, COPT also, and ballast pump. The other TRO you can see here, this is the second TRO, and this side we have a back flushing pump. So these looks new because they were installed in dry dock after the new rule came. So you have the narrow spaces there. You have to go this side, and then we can see here two back flushing filter unit is there. So left and right you can see on top you have motor operating our back flushing system. So all these things are connected to your sea chest. So this is your ballast pump sea chest. So from here, these ballast pump take the suction and do the operation. So guys, this is for the pump room. See you in the next video.